So next is the potential barrier and depletion layer on or depletion region. So look in this figure, there is a p-type semiconductor region and there is a n-type semiconductor region. So in p-type semiconducting region, there is a number of holes is also present, and there is a n-type of semiconductor, there is a electrons is also present. So in there is a next is a when electron are transferred from this n region to there is a p region, at which they form there is a positive ions and there is a negative ions. So positive ions form removal of electron. So we look here, positive ions will be formed due to removal of the electron, and then next there is a negative ions will be formed, that is fill the holes in p region. So a positive and negative ions will be formed here, which is near to the junction. The next there is a potential difference and potential barrier. So in which there is a diffusion of carriers across the junction and the resultant accumulation of positive and negative charge across the junction builds a potential difference across the junction. So this potential difference is called as potential barrier. Then also the magnitude of potential barrier for different material, there will be different. So magnitude of potential barrier in there is a silicon, that is 0.6 to 0.7 volt, and for germanium there is a 0.3 to 0.35 volts. Then next, the potential barrier is always exist even if the device is not connected to any external power supply. That means when any device will be not connected to any external power supply, so in that device already potential barrier will be there is a exist. Then next, it prevent the continuous diffusion of carrier across the junction. Then a state of electrostatic equilibrium is the reached across the junction. Then free charge carrier not be present in region where there is a potential barrier. So potential barrier means there is a free charge, and the free charge carrier not be present in a region where there is a potential barrier. Then next, the region on either side of junction, therefore it become completely devoid of any carriers. Then next, there is a topic of depletion layer or depletion region. So in which the region across the PN junction where there are no charge is called as depletion layer or depletion region. So that means the region across the PN junction, region across the PN junction, region across the PN junction. So in that region there is a do not produce there is a any charge. That means the positive and there is a negative charge also do not present in that region. So this region is nothing but depletion layer, or it is called as depletion layer. So in which there is a depletion layer or depletion region will be formed. So next, there is the potential across the junction and the width of the potential barrier can be controlled. So this in that figure, this depletion layer or the potential barrier, also the potential across the junction and width of the potential barrier can be controlled. And there is a very interesting and useful property of PN junction. The next, in N side near the boundary of PN junction, it become positive with respect to P side because it has lost electron, and there is a P side has lost of holes, because here in this figure there is a electron in there is a N region, and they are lost to there is a electron, and then it become get positive ion, and then in p side it lost there is a holes and it become there is a negative ions. So that means near to the p-n junction there is a positive and negative ions will be formed. So positive ions in there is a side of n region and there is a negative ions in the region of p will be formed. Then next, thus the presence of impurity ions on both sides of the junction, and it established a electric field across this region such that the n side is a positive voltage related to p side. That means in this region there is some impurity will be added in both sides. So at that junction there is established electric field. That means the electric field is produced, and in which electric field there is a positive voltage related to there is a n side, and there is a p is a in p side will be there is a negative. That means in this figure there is a potential barrier will be formed, and this potential barrier in which there is a positive ions in there is a n side, and this is a region is positive potential, that is high potential, and there is a negative ions in there is a p region, there is a low potential. So it is a potential barrier will be formed. Then next there is a topic, the basic or biasing of p-n junction. So biasing of p-n junction, in which as a result of potential barrier across the depletion region, charge carrier requires some extra energy to overcome the barrier. That means as a result the potential barrier across the depletion region, in that depletion region there is a potential barrier will be formed, and this potential barrier, due to this potential barrier the electron and holes will be do not transmit. So there is a will be use of some external energy, and due to that external energy this electron and holes can transfer this potential barrier. So there is a suitable voltage or suitable potential difference will be applied to this junction, and it is nothing but external potential difference will be applied to this p-n junction, and therefore there is a charge on this p-n junction will be carriers, and when charge will be carry, that means there will be the motion of charge across this junction will be takes place. Then next there is a two possibility will be produced in this junction due to applying the external electric field or external potential difference to that junction p and n junction. So there is an external voltage applied across the p-n junction. So two conditions will be formed, that is one is forward bias junction and other is a reverse bias junction. So in forward bias junction this p-n junction will be connect to the external power supply, or there is a external voltage. So as a battery, so in figure in the p and n region, that is junction is connected to electric circuit, then p region is connected to positive terminal and n region is connected to negative terminal of external voltage source. In there is a forward bias, so it is a forward bias. So in this forward bias the external voltage is effectively offers the built in potential of the junction, and then there is a width of potential barrier is thus reduced. So due to external voltage are applied to this junction, so in that junction it is oppose the built in potential of the junction. That means the width of this potential barrier get reduced, and then negative charge carrier, that is electron, from there is a n side, n region, and they are pushed toward the junction, and similarly the positive charge carrier, that is holes, and they are also in p region and they are pushed toward the junction. That means this depletion layer will be get reduced in PN junction. Then next there is a both the charge carriers thus find it easy to cross over the barrier and contribute toward the electric current. Such arrangement of PN junction in electric circuit called as forward bias. That means the both charge, that is electrons and holes, are also easily cross over this region, and therefore there is a electric current will be move in that region. So this is arrangement is also called as forward bias junction. And then next is a reverse bias junction. So in this reverse bias junction, this PN junction will be connected to electric circuit, then P region is connected to negative terminal and N region is connected to, there is a positive terminal of external voltage. This external voltage effectively added to the built-in potential of junction, and therefore the width of potential barrier is thus increased. That means when external voltage is applied, and then at which there is a addition of this built potential in that junction, and therefore the width of that potential barrier is goes on increasing. So in that condition, the negative charge carrier, that is electron, from the N region, they are pulled away from the junction, and similarly the holes, that is positive charge carrier, they are also present in N region and they are pulled away from the junction. That means the both charge carrier thus find it's very difficult to cross the barrier and thus do not contribute toward the electric current. Such arrangement of PN junction in an electric circuit called as reverse bias. So in that condition the depletion layer is increased, then therefore both charge carrier, that is positive holes and there is a negative electrons, they are difficult to cross this barrier because this barrier width will be increased, and therefore the electric current also difficult to flow in that region, that is in there is a reverse bias condition, and so this arrangement is also called as, that is electric circuit is called as reverse bias. Then next there is a uses. So in forward bias mode, that is PN junction, always a large current to flow across. And in forward bias condition, the PN junction always large current flow across this junction, and then it order near about there is a few milliampere. Then in reverse bias, the PN junction on other hand, there is a carries a very small current, and it is normally, that is few microampere current will be flow when there is a in reverse bias mode of PN junction. Then next, A PN junction can be used as one-way switch or a gate in electric circuit. Then fourth one use, last one. In forward bias, PN junction is easily conduct, and in reverse bias, in PN junction, that is, it is open switch. That means reverse bias is a open switch, and forward bias, that is in PN junction, that is easily conduction will be takes place, that is a closed switch. Then next, there is some features of this depletion region. So it is formed by diffusion of electron from N region to P region. This leaves positively charged ion in there is a N region. The P region accumulate electron, that is negative charge, and the N region accumulate the holes, that is positive charge. Then third one, the accumulation of charges on either side of the junction, the results in forming a potential barrier, and the potential and it prevent the flow of charge. That means the accumulation of charge on either side of the junction, the result is forming, there is a potential barrier. That means there is a potential barrier will be produced, and it can prevent the flow of charge. So in that potential barrier, there is a do not flow of the charge particle. So as like charge particle, positive charge, that is holes, and negative charge, that is an electron, do not flow or do not pass through this potential barrier. Then there are no charge in region. So in that region, there is a no charge also present. And last one, there is the depletion region has higher potential on the N side and lower potential on the P side of the junction. That means in that depletion region will be formed. So at that condition, higher potential on the N side and there is a lower potential on P side. Because in N side, there is a formation of positive ions, and there is a in P sides there is a formation of there is a negative ions. So there is a potential on N side is higher than potential in there is a P side.